Hey folks, my name is Ken Oakes and I'm teaching this semester environmental issues and ecology at Cape Breton University. I did my undergrad at the University of Guelph, and I actually had Catherine teaching me when I was at the University of Guelph as well. She's an excellent teacher in for a great semester. Some of my research is working with Professor Rod Beresford on oysters and trying to help them recover from a parasite called MSX, a haplosporidium. I'm also doing work with Professor Xu Zhang, looking at different water treatment strategies using reactive oxygen species to degrade recalcitrant organic molecules and reduce inorganic molecules they can remove from the water system. And then another project I'm spending a good bit of time on this summer was looking at the fish community composition in Boat Harbor. And Boat Harbor is probably one of the biggest contaminated sites in Nova Scotia currently. It's probably going to be about a $400 million remediation project before it's done. It's happening in Pictou County, just outside the town of Pictou, where Northern Pulp had been depositing pulp and paper mill effluents, and it's a kraft mill which is bleached, so that makes the effluent quite toxic. They were dumping that behind a First Nations community, which was what some people would consider an act of slow violence perpetrated against a group that doesn't have a lot of political power. So that's changed in recent years. Premier Stephen McNeil stood up behind the Boat Harbor Act saying you must stop adding effluent to this tidal estuary located right behind Pictou Landing First Nations. And now we're part of a big remediation project trying to clean up that effluent. So it's very exciting times to be working in the environmental field and in the biology field. And I'm looking forward to seeing you guys in future classes here at Cape Breton University. Take care.